To effectively use EveryDollar budget categories, start by understanding the basics of budgeting and how categorization works within the EveryDollar platform. EveryDollar is a budgeting tool that allows users to manage their finances by allocating funds into different categories. The first step is to create an account and set up your budget by inputting your income. Once your income is set, you will need to assign it to various budget categories. These categories can include housing, transportation, food, insurance, entertainment, and savings, among others. EveryDollar offers a list of preset categories, but you can also customize them to fit your specific financial needs. Assigning funds to each category should be based on your financial priorities and goals. For example, if you have high-priority debts such as credit card balances, you may want to allocate a larger portion of your income towards the debt repayment category. On the other hand, if saving for retirement is a priority, you would allocate a significant amount to the savings category. It is essential to regularly review and adjust your budget categories to ensure they align with your changing financial situation. As your income or expenses change, you may need to reassign funds from one category to another. This could be due to an increase in income, which would allow you to allocate more funds towards savings or debt repayment, or a decrease in income, which may require you to reduce spending in non-essential categories. Best practices for using EveryDollar budget categories include regularly tracking your expenses to ensure you are staying within your allocated amounts, avoiding overspending by not exceeding the funds assigned to each category, and making adjustments as needed to stay on track with your financial goals. By following these steps and maintaining a disciplined approach to budgeting, you can effectively use EveryDollar budget categories to manage your finances, achieve financial stability, and work towards your long-term financial goals. Remember, the key to successful budgeting is consistency, patience, and a willingness to make adjustments as your financial situation evolves.